Hello to all my sweet little children. Welcome to another session on DP Kids. So today I know you're making origami creations with us. So I thought I'll make something that even our nursery and pre-primary grades children can do. It's a birthday card that we are going to make. So for this I need a dark colored board, and I will also need scissors and little stripes with any color, maybe from wrapping papers or from same colored paper, and then little hearts and things like that. So little circles, stickers, anything you can use to make the card look prettier. So now it's quite easy to make. I'll show you how. Now this board, I'm going to take these stripes, I'm going to paste them on. Put some glue on it and paste it onto the board in any direction you like, in any way you like. Don't remove the extra parts for now. So you can paste it in any way you like, in different places. But make sure that the little stripes are extended from outside the board. Now you can have different widths of these papers, but them being thinner is nicer, but you can have different widths. Now our paper, the stripes have been pasted, so slowly cut them out. So cut them out like this. If there are pieces where the gum has not been applied properly, you can paste those in also. Now I'm going to cut out or paste a heart-shaped piece of paper where happy birthday is written. You can put up paste any shape you like. It can be a circle, it can be a rectangle, and any other shape. Now if you have stickers and all, you can paste those also. If you have glitter or any little circles like this, stickers, anything is fine. Look, isn't it easy to make? I know my little children can also make this and give your parents, your friends, your siblings, your sisters and brothers, that is, any birthday card like this. You can make beautiful ones and you can make it alone. So don't forget to do that and give it to your loved ones. So we'll make more and more origami and other creations in the future. See you soon. Stay safe and goodbye.